Sanibona bafethu uva nesports lo. Uva nesports ngizokhuluma le game namhlanje. Oqala nje ngisho ukuthi I'm very disappointed at the boys. I'm very disappointed indlela edlale ngakhona. Yabo besingekho yabona nje namhlanje i-fighting spirit yokuthola u3 points ibingekho. Even yokuthola nje i-draw ibingekho. Yabo abafana bashow up second half and funa khona they didn't show ukuthi bayafuna impela nokukora because ama chances esibe now we poor up front. Yabo the chances we got today abengekho right. Ngizoqala nje nge-first half yanamhlanje. First half yanamhlanje was very poor and disappointing. First half yanamhlanje was very poor and disappointing indlela esi-approach ngakhona game plan yethu. Yabo besinoShandu on the right obeyi right winger mase siba nelomfana lo odlala as number 10 ulomfana lo uDlamini. Yabo I'm really disappointed at uDlamini. Abantu abaningi ngihlezi ngibatshela ngoDlamini. Yabo uDlamini is not the type of player you can start in a match. Dlamini is not a type of player you can start in a match because Dlamini bafethu is very lazy. Yabo I'm sorry to criticize our players because we lost, but ihlezi ngikhuluma into about Dlamini. Dlamini is very lazy. Dlamini can't run. Dlamini can't press. Yabo mengekho uTito yabonakala Orlando Pirates ayikho right. Mengekho uTito Maswanga yabonakala Orlando Pirates ayiclick ayikho right. Yabo ngize kwigoli lokuqala esiliconsidile. Igoli lokuqala siliconsidile from a set piece. I always speak about a set piece. Orlando Pirates need to practice a set piece because we are going to play in CAF Champions League. In CAF Champions League, many teams with CAF Champions League they capitalize on set piece. And the maniga set piece Orlando Pirates eseke yawashaya. Yebo eseke ya consider from set piece. Orlando Pirates maniga magoals so consider this season so far from set pieces. And I don't think ucoach uyabona ukuthi sinenkinga lapha eback. Yebo even uXoki umuntu bengimthemba ukuthi uzobuya asisize kuma set pieces naye uyalika lapha emuva benosibisi. Yebo bayalika ama set piece and into le kumele sihambe sibuye siyele ku training ground sizama ukuyifixa abafethu. We cannot lose ibhola eboxing lethu. Ibhola likwazi ukugqoma eboxing lethu sikhona sima defender. Why are we allowing other teams to get a chance to score? Yebo I'm really disappointed. We try to recover first half angifuqa mako mabasi uzamile bafethu first half akunaleli ibhola leli elicrosswe usibise lapha wazama ukuliheda mabasi wazama ukuliheda kwathi lo mfana lo uXoki. I don't know why uXoki bengekho switched on. Kabu uXoki uluvela shaya ithepini lapha kwabu 1-1. Yabo nje bafethu I'm really disappointed. China uzamile ukusiza. China came through for Orlando Pirates. I don't want to lie. Yabo even though we lost ngo2-0 but uChina uzamile usiza. Kunalezi sikhathi nje ku first half la uChina khona ebamba ibhola eselisemgqini. Yabo wabamba nje ngempela ibhola eselisemgqini iMarumo Gallants bis attacker ngempela. Yabo bis attacker ngempela and ngisazoyigcizelela futhi lento le bafethu. Without uTito Maswanganye Orlando Pirates ayiclick. Without uTito Maswanganye Orlando Pirates ayiclick. Yabo without uTito Maswanganye Orlando Pirates ayiclick. Ngifuna nikufake engqondweni lokho uTito Maswanganye noma engenzani kwiPirates noma aligibela ibhola noma engenzani but mekhona iOrlando Pirates idlala kamnandi. Yebo because we passed the ball namhlanje bingekho lento yokuphasa ibhola belingahambi phansi namhlanje. Yebo nje mfethu uShandu angazi ubani lo mina ngicela ngikhombele lo owathi uShandu uyiwinger. Ngikhombele lo owathi uShandu uyiwinger ngimshaye mina. uShandu asiyiwinger. Asike nje ukhohlisana bafethu. Shandu is not a right winger. Shandu is not a winger. Shandu is a left back, is a right back. Yabo. If Shandu can't play as a right back, he must go. Because he cannot play as a winger. We cannot force a player who is not a winger to put him on the right wing. We tried to force Uhosa to play on the right wing and it didn't work. It didn't work. So why are we forcing another wing back player to play in that position? Why did we loan our players? Isigisi siyabaleka ngempela ngidiniwe. Why salona abadlali bethu? Sabalonelana abadlali bethu. Why did we loan uGilbert? Why did we loan lo mfana lo uOtladis? Otladis scored a beautiful goal against the Mamelodi Sundowns the other day. Why did we loan Otladis? Why are we not resolving izinto zethu no Monapule Saling? Because we need wingers. Yabo I don't know why kwenzakaleni iyipi yabo imanagement ekhulumile angazi uba ovele wakhuluma wathi aqala uShandu because nalast game kwaqala uShandu and we were not good first half yaleya game yabo, we were not good. Second half I thought abafethu bazamile mfukama. Second half we tried to pick up yabo, sidlale kahle second half, but ke second half ke bafethu si conceded another goal yabo. Ngizoqala nje ngisho ukuthi uDlamini ulazy. Dlamini is very lazy. Sengishowane kule video, I hope uyayibuka umjida i-video aphamisa amasokisi. Dlamini is very lazy. Van Rooyen did well second half yabo. Van Rooyen did well second half. Uzamile mfethu Van Rooyen yabo, angifuni uqamba maka umshidi uzamile second half. Mfukeng ngizofika ngifukeng mafethu angazi ngizoyibeka kanjani lento le Mfukeng. Semaningi ama game sesiwadlalile. Maningi ama game Mfukeng asawadlalile. Maningi ama games Mfukeng awadlalile. Ukusho kwami lokho ngiqonda ukuthini na? Njobe Mfukeng sedlala ama game amangaka, many teams watch Mfukeng medlala. Yabo, when they prepare to play against Orlando Pirates, they see which players are very dangerous for Orlando Pirates, and they see ukuthi most of the balls Orlando Pirates wathola wafaka kulo mfana ekuthiwa Mfukeng. Yabo, many teams edlala now, they make sure ukuthi bayakwazi ukumaka uMfukeng. Memema uMfukeng Orlando Pirates ayikwazi ukufunction. Ubonile nje namhlanje bammakile uMfukeng, benze shows bammark, even though Mfukeng bezama mfethu, but today Mfukeng was very man marked, and we must come with a plan B. We cannot keep on playing with plan A. As now plan B. Yabo, as now plan B. Mina nje ade ngasho indaba ye-league. I-league mina ngifukama angisekho kwi-league yedwa uyi-Pirates fan. Mukwi-league wedwa. Mina sengikwi-Champions League. Yabo, my mind is already on the Champions League. Yabo, I see Orlando Pirates senza kangcono kwi-Champions League. But you cannot do well kwi-Champions League mesodlala nje. Mesobeka Shandwe zi-winger. Badlala uShandwe zi-winger kwi-Champions League. Hey, ngabe leyo team ufuna iwine. Yabo, China saved us. China saved us. I don't want to lie. Ngabe maningi amagoli esidliwe ngawo namhlanje. Ngabe maningi amagoli esidliwe ngawo namhlanje, but ke igoli lesibili. Ngizokhuluma igoli lesibili second half. Igoli lesibili I saw uXoki ehluleka ukucima ibhola. Angazi noma uhlelo ukucima ibhola noma wenze ibhola lagqoma. Kwafika lo mdlali lo walithatha ibhola. Walisa wide. Lo mdlali lo isibhola wide. Walisa kulo mdlali ubengakushaya ubala umdlali wethu oshaya on goal Umbatha. Walisa kulo mdlali obekumbatha, Umbatha wathi uyamaka lo mdlali washaya i-square pass. Lebela thinta Umbatha kwaba igoli. Kwaba on goal. Yabo. Uqama afisa uXoki mfethu angeke. Xoki mfethu hayi. Undame labuye. I don't want to lie. Ndawo must come back. Sesana must come back. Yabo, ukuboza kwaXoki emuva kwenza uSibisi look bad. Sibisi wasn't bad today. Sibisi played very well. Mbatha played very well namhlanje. Mfuqamanga. Abafana badlale kamnandi namhlanje. Umbatha udlale kamnandi namhlanje. Makihlini Makhawula played very well today. Inkinga nje, I don't know what's going on with uXoki. Yabo, maybe Bandi liyamsinda, I don't want to lie. Yabo, Nkota came wazama Nkota ukudlala mfethu, but ke it's a pity ke ukuthi siluzile leya game. Yabo, ngangitshela wena uyibona kanjani igame? Ngangitshela ukuthi uyibona kanjani igame? Mina ngokwami I was not impressed. We were very poor. Yeah, ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi igame uyibona kanjani.